What if your next doctor wasn't human? Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing healthcare, and it's happening fast. From diagnosing diseases earlier to customizing your treatment plan, AI is already saving lives. The AI healthcare market is set to explode, projected to pass $200 billion by 2030. And it's not just hospitals and labs, it's in your phone, on your wrist, even in how your doctor makes decisions. Over the next 10 minutes, we're breaking down how AI is transforming every part of medicine. Are you ready? Let's dive in. We've all seen the medical dramas, the frantic doctors huddled over x-rays, trying to spot that telltale shadow. Now, imagine that same scenario, but with an AI assistant that never sleeps, never misses a detail. At Stanford University, an AI system went head-to-head with experienced radiologists, analyzing chest x-rays for signs of pneumonia. The result? The AI won, identifying the disease more accurately and more consistently. And it's not just pneumonia. AI is proving its worth in detecting everything from breast cancer to eye disease, often with greater accuracy than human doctors. AI can analyze thousands of images in the time it takes you to read this sentence, picking up on subtle patterns that even the most trained eye might miss. This is particularly crucial in areas with limited access to specialists. Imagine a small village in a remote part of the world, where a doctor can now consult with an AI-powered diagnostic tool to get instant feedback on a patient's condition. This isn't about replacing doctors. It's about augmenting their abilities, giving them superpowers. We're talking about the potential to save lives on a massive scale, all thanks to the power of AI. For centuries, medicine has followed a one-size-fits-all approach. But what if we could tailor treatments to your unique genetic makeup, your medical history, your lifestyle? That's the promise of personalized medicine, and AI is making it a reality. IBM's Watson, for instance, can analyze your genetic profile and recommend cancer treatments that have the highest probability of success based on your specific tumor type. No more trial and error, no more hoping for the best. AI sifts through mountains of data, clinical trials, research papers, genetic databases to identify the most effective treatment strategies for you. This is proactive healthcare, not reactive. AI can identify potential risks before they become problems, allowing for early intervention and potentially preventing disease altogether. The future of medicine is personalized, and it's powered by AI. Developing a new drug is a bit like searching for a needle in a haystack. A long, expensive, and often frustrating process. But AI is changing that, turning the haystack into a much smaller, more manageable pile. Imagine being able to simulate how a new drug will interact with the human body before it's even synthesized in a lab. AI can do that, analyzing vast databases of molecular structures and biological processes to predict a drug's efficacy and potential side effects. One of the most groundbreaking achievements in recent years was DeepMind's AlphaFold, an AI system that solved the protein folding problem, a challenge that had stumped scientists for decades. This breakthrough has huge implications for drug discovery, potentially leading to new treatments for diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and cancer. AI is accelerating the drug discovery process, taking it from years to months, even days in some cases. The future of medicine is not just faster, it's smarter. That smartwatch on your wrist? It's not just a fashion statement. It's quickly becoming an essential tool for monitoring and even predicting your health. AI-powered wearables are constantly collecting data, your heart rate, sleep patterns, activity levels, and using that data to paint a detailed picture of your overall well-being. These devices can now detect irregularities and potential health problems before you even feel a symptom. The Apple Watch, for instance, can identify an irregular heartbeat, a potential sign of atrial fibrillation, a condition that can lead to stroke if left untreated. Imagine getting an alert on your watch that says, "Hey, your heart rate's a little erratic. You might want to get that checked out." That's the power of AI-powered wearables. They act like a 24/7 health guardian, constantly monitoring your vitals and alerting you to potential issues. The future of healthcare is wearable, personalized, and powered by AI. The operating room of the future is here, and it's filled with cutting-edge technology, including AI-powered surgical robots. These aren't the clunky robots of sci-fi movies. These are precision instruments capable of performing incredibly delicate procedures with minimal invasiveness. Take the Da Vinci surgical system, for example. This robotic system allows surgeons to operate through tiny incisions, using instruments with a greater range of motion than the human hand. The result? Less pain, faster recovery times, and reduced risk of complications. But it's not just about dexterity. AI is also playing a crucial role in surgical decision-making. Imagine an AI assistant that can analyze real-time data during surgery, alerting the surgeon to potential problems before they even arise. AI is not replacing surgeons. It's augmenting their skills, giving them an extra set of eyes and a steadier hand. The future of surgery is collaborative, with AI and humans working together to achieve the best possible results. Mental health care is often stigmatized, difficult to access, and expensive. AI is poised to change that, making mental health support more accessible, affordable, and available 24/7. Imagine having a therapist in your pocket, available to talk whenever you need them. That's the idea behind AI-powered chatbots like Wobot. These chatbots use principles of cognitive behavioral therapy to provide real-time support for people struggling with anxiety, depression, and other mental health challenges. Researchers are developing AI systems that can analyze voice patterns, facial expressions, and even social media posts to detect signs of mental distress. This doesn't mean AI will replace therapists. Rather, it will act as a valuable tool, identifying those in need of help and connecting them with the appropriate resources. The future of mental health care is accessible, personalized, and powered by AI. AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, but we can't ignore the potential risks, particularly the risk of bias. Like any tool, AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. If that data is flawed or reflects existing biases, the AI system will inherit those biases, potentially leading to unfair and even dangerous outcomes. For instance, a study found that a widely used healthcare algorithm was less likely to recommend Black patients for extra care, even when they were sicker than their white counterparts. This bias stemmed from the fact that the algorithm was trained on data that reflected racial disparities in healthcare access and utilization. This is a stark reminder that we need to be incredibly careful about how we develop and deploy AI in healthcare. We need diverse datasets, transparent algorithms, and constant vigilance to ensure that AI systems are fair, equitable, and beneficial to all. The future of AI in healthcare depends on our ability to address and mitigate these biases. We must hold ourselves accountable and ensure that AI is used to create a more just and equitable healthcare system for everyone. Forget the Terminator. The future of AI in healthcare is far more collaborative. Think of AI as the doctor's new best friend, a tireless assistant that's always learning, always analyzing, and always ready to lend a hand. Imagine an ER doctor wearing augmented reality glasses that display a patient's vital signs, medical history, and potential diagnoses in real time, all powered by AI. Or a surgeon using an AI-assisted system that highlights critical structures during surgery, reducing the risk of errors. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. Hospitals around the world are testing and implementing AI systems designed to support, not replace, human judgment. The future of healthcare is a team effort, with AI playing a vital role in improving patient outcomes, reducing errors, and enhancing the doctor-patient relationship. We've seen the incredible potential of AI in healthcare, from diagnosing diseases earlier to personalizing treatments, from speeding up drug discovery to providing mental health support. But this is not a passive revolution. It requires our active participation. We need to demand AI that is developed responsibly, with fairness, equity, and transparency at its core. We need to educate ourselves about the potential benefits and risks of AI in healthcare. The decisions we make today will determine the kind of healthcare system we have tomorrow. Let's work together to ensure that AI is used to create a healthier, more equitable, and more accessible healthcare system for everyone. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the groundbreaking potential of AI to the ethical challenges we need to address. Now it's your turn to join the conversation. What aspect of AI in healthcare excites you the most? What concerns you? Share your thoughts in the comments below. By sharing our hopes, our concerns, and our ideas, we can help shape a future where AI is used to create a healthier and more equitable world for everyone. We're on the cusp of a healthcare revolution, one driven by the incredible power of artificial intelligence. From robot surgeons to AI-powered diagnostics, the possibilities are both exhilarating and a little daunting. But as with any medical advancement, it's about harnessing the power of technology to improve patient outcomes. We need to ensure AI is developed ethically, with safeguards against bias. The future of healthcare is here, and it's looking brighter than ever.